Hey, my name is Faisal. I'm SD2 at Amazon. I am a 2020 pass out from LPU, from Computer Science and Engineering batch. When I joined LPU, I knew I wanted to become a software engineer. From LPU, I got placed into a startup called Mojo as an intern. And then I worked at Mojo for about 1.5 years. And then I moved to an academy as a software engineer. I worked there for about 1 year. And then I moved to Amazon as a ST2 in 2022. When I joined LPU, the faculties here acted as a mentor as well. So they helped open doors for me in terms of the career options. Also, LPU has a very updated curriculum. They have DevOps, they have cybersecurity, they have web development. There were a lot of options to choose from, and during early time in my LPU journey, I had the chance to explore all of those options and figure out what interests me the most, and I was able to pursue my minor in that specialty. So during my time, I chose web development as the minor. I was kind of confused between cybersecurity and web development because both were equally interesting. So LPU does not just train you for the core curriculum of, let's say, software engineering. They also train you in terms of other aspects like soft skills. So when I came to LPU, I was kind of very shy person, an introverted person. But here I got environment where I had to speak in front of the class. So I learned how to present myself, how to present my ideas here in LPU. When I joined LPU, I think in a couple of months, there were a hackathon organized in partnership with Microsoft, where I got exposure about developing real life application firsthand. There were a lot of events being organized in LPU related to web development, related to cybersecurity, related to AI and machine learning, where I got the chance to participate and improve my skills. My general advice would be to explore everything initially in your education journey. That will help you figure out what interests you the most. And generally, I would recommend to become a generalist, know a bit of everything. That would help you crack any good job in the future.